mi gente, guys, we're here in Boulder, New York, baby. That's right. And I'm telling you, we're having a great day. It's a beautiful day here in the neighborhood. And also today, you're in for another treat, guys. Today, I'm going to show you what it is to find a leak on a mini split system. We're also going to do the full cleaning and detailed cleaning on the mini split system. He actually has 4 indoor units on one side of the house and 2 on the other side. So he has 2 separate systems, if that makes any sense. So guys, I'm going to take you through the journey of what it is to do some maintenance, because guys, you know how I stress about maintenance, and also how to do the repair and find the leak, because we're going to find the leak one way or another. Stay tuned, baby. Wepa! Was that video cool or what, guys? Talk about fucking finding the leak. Talk about working on a unit that is freaking filthy, hasn't been cleaned in 10 years, and now it looks like, mwah, it looks brand new. That's what I'm talking about, guys. That's exactly what I mean. Maintenance is key, guys. Cleaning, and of course, doing the actual repair. And what the best part about this job is that the customer is happy, and they're more than eager and happy to pay you, but they're smiling, guys. They're cool and ready for the summertime. Listen, who don't want to be cool, right? Who don't want to be cool and sexy and fresh all summer long? That's right. Louie the Boiler Man wants to feel that way. Also, I want you to feel that way. So guys, if you have a problem with your air conditioning system, you want to be cool, fresh, sexy, hype all summer long, call Louie the Boiler Man 516-377-5200. But guys, you know what's most important here? Subscribe, guys. Smash that bell button. Leave a comment below. With that being said, without further ado, we're back.